Logo design, combining a water drop and technology sign. Let's complete the design. 1. Take the drop sign, convert its fill to a stroke. And remove unnecessary points. Two. Access the stroke menu, select the stroke line shape. And adjust its width profile. 3. Duplicate the shape. Adjust it to resemble a water drop, and position it accordingly. Four. Copy the technology sign, reduce its size, and duplicate it again. Adjust the image as needed. 5. Use the Pathfinder tool to unite the elements. 6. Apply a gradient to enhance the visual appeal. 'Choosing a suitable font and color that complements the logo. 7. Align the text with the logo. 8. Finalize the design and review the outcome.